The Recipe Room. Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to make delicious potato wedges. Potato wedges are a tasty and easy to make snack that can be enjoyed on their own or as a side dish. In this video, we'll show you how to make the perfect potato wedges that are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. For this recipe, you will need the following ingredients: 4 large potatoes, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. While the oven is heating up, wash your potatoes and slice them into wedges. You should get about 8 wedges from each potato. Next, place the potatoes in a large bowl with the olive oil, garlic powder, paprika, oregano, salt, and pepper. Toss everything together until the potatoes are well coated with the seasoning. Arrange the potato wedges on a baking sheet in a single layer. Bake for about 40 minutes or until they are golden brown and tender. Serve hot with your favorite dipping sauce and enjoy. Now let's talk about some variations you can try with this recipe. If you want to add some heat to your potato wedges, try adding some cayenne pepper or chili flakes to the seasoning mix. If you prefer a more herbaceous flavor, try adding some fresh rosemary or thyme. You can also experiment with different types of potatoes. Sweet potatoes make for a delicious and healthy alternative to regular potatoes. Simply follow the same recipe but use sweet potatoes instead. Another variation you can try is adding some cheese to your potato wedges. After baking for about 30 minutes, sprinkle some shredded cheddar cheese over the top of the potato wedges and return them to the oven for another 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. If you're looking for a healthier option, try using an air fryer instead of an oven. Simply follow the same recipe but cook the potato wedges in an air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for about 20 minutes or until they are golden brown and tender. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to make delicious potato wedges. We hope you enjoyed it and that you'll give this recipe a try. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching.